Hi scale guys, today we have Cas scales. The model is CL7200. This is price computing scales, and to calibrate these scales you need to remove the platter. And here you have like this thing and one screw to seal it. So you unscrew this, put the switch in help mode, put it there. Then you put the platter back, turn on the scale, hold a little bit. And now we need to go to the calibration menu to calibrate them. It's pretty easy. I will show you now. We just need to wait a little bit to download scales view. And now it's bring us directly to the calibration mode because we turn on the switch. So we go calibration, spend calibration. Remove all the weight, we press enter. It's calibrating now. Now it's asking us about the weight. 30 kgs. So we put 30 kgs on the platter. We have 30 kgs and press enter. Wait a little bit when it's stabilized. Now we press enter button again. It's calibrating and calibration is done. We need to save calibration. And that's all. Now we need to remove the weight. And go to the scales mode. Doesn't go, so we need to turn them off. Now we need to put the switch back and just check it. The longest thing probably when they're fucking loading. And if you want to certify them, you need to remove this thing to make them legal for trade. It's loading parameters and stuff like this. Okay, so now we can check it. 10 kgs is 10 kgs, 20 is 20. Another thing that we need to check, because this is scales with the multi-interval, we need to put 2 kgs and it's counting by 5. So it's counting by 5, you see, till 5 kgs. And after 5 is still counting by 5. And 7, it's counting still by 5. Okay, then we put 10. And it's counting by 10. Oh, by 5 as well. But it says that it should 15 kg, sorry guys. So from 15, now it will count in by 10, yeah. You need to check this as well, so thanks for watching guys.